I could kind of notice it. What happened? Why all of a
I
sudden
don't
it's hurting?
know. It hurt really badly today. Yeah, I don't know why.
You gotta use more weight. That is why. If you didn't, then you get tensed.
Mm.
So loosen up. It's counterintuitive when you think that if you want to play loud for the loud sound, you feel like you need to push it, but actually you gotta release more and then let your arm more loosened so you can feel more weight on your fingertip. Yeah, there. So make sure that you release your arm weight to the and then drop your weight to the top note. Yeah, the sound is different when you do that. Once again, that's better. That's it. You feel that your arm is like totally wet sponge.
Okay.
Yeah, try 1 second, same spot. That's very good. Listen up. Yes, yes, that's it. It feels like it's more weighted. Yeah, you put your weight on your knuckles and then you feel the weight through the fingertip. Once again, a little faster, not faster this time. Yes, very good, very good. Easy. I can
Mhm.
totally tell. Very good. Very good. I hear all the notes very clear. Now let's play in tempo. You didn't make any mistake even. You feel different when you play it.
Yeah, it feels a lot different.
What is the difference exactly? I want to hear it before I say it first.
I don't know. It doesn't feel like my arm's doing anything. It feels like my fingers are doing all the work.
Yeah, you're right. It's not working. You gotta intentionally let it rest. Yeah, feel all your weight, arm weight is hung on the fingertip, and then your fingertip should be strong enough to maintain the weight.
Okay.
Very good, very good. Hey, hey, it sounds very easy.
It feels so much easier.
But now we have to put more character to that. It's like a typhoon, like a sweeping away everything away. Yeah, winter wind, like in medicine. You know what it's like. I don't need to describe
Yeah,
it. So
I don't like
stronger
it.
character and then rhythm. Very determined. Try once again.
Oh,
Nice, nice. Make it very strong. That is the last fanfare before you finish up. It was very good. I love the ending. Do something more to really make it significant ending.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, that's very strong. I love it. I love it. Well, just can you make it? Somehow this is what I'm hearing. You know what's the problem? You need to put more weight on the fourth finger before you drop on the third. Yeah. That will fix everything. And hold the fourth finger a little longer if you can.
Okay.
Now a little faster.